Quick tutorial: convert HEIC to JPG on Windows in 2 easy ways. Start with your HEIC photo in File Explorer, right-click and open Photos. In Photos, click the three-dot menu and choose Save as to export. Select JPG from the format options, pick Quality, then click Save. Confirm the new JPG in File Explorer, compare sizes and preview it. That method is great for single files or quick edits on the go. Need batch or web-based conversion? Try a quick, trusted online converter. Click Upload, select multiple HEIC files from File Explorer, and confirm. Choose JPG as output, set quality or keep default for fast processing. Click Convert, wait briefly while files process, then click Download. Open your Downloads folder, move the JPGs to your photo library for safekeeping. Tip: install HEIF extensions for native support, and you're all set.